Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today I came across a wild garlic. If you ever wonder what it looks like, wonderful leaves. It loves damp areas. So I am here by the river. This is where it grows and you will literally smell it. It smells garlicky. With wild garlic, when harvesting, be very careful because most likely you will see lots of ladies growing there as well. It is a huge irritant and it can be also confused easily with lily of the valley. So make sure you know what you're doing and collect leaf by leaf. Don't take it like that because there might be lots of ladies around. Let me have a look if I find any. I think I will. And here we go. I just turn around and this is what lords and ladies look like. So if it's hidden, you can see here is wild garlic. It can be easily confused. So just watch out for this. Here we go, another lots of ladies. So yeah, let me know any favorite recipes. I'm sure everybody loves wild garlic. And thank you so much for tuning in.